Corby. Hi, you. How are you? Are you good today? Are you good today? What's wrong with your sissy? What's wrong with her? She's mad and you're happy. Are you happy? Are you happy? They happy, happy, happy. Is that finger good?
Hey.
Corby.
Oh,
Corby. Corbin.
come and say it.
Who's that?
Up here.
Hi.